We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Manastin, 12,000 BTU, portable air conditioner. Consists of the following features. The Manastin portable air conditioner delivers 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE, cooling power and is designed to cool rooms up to 550 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, and home offices. With an adjustable temperature range of 61 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and low noise operation of around 46 decibels, it helps create a comfortable indoor environment. This versatile 4-in-1 unit features cooling, fan, dehumidifier, and sleep modes to adapt to different needs, along with 2 fan speeds for flexible airflow. Sleep mode automatically dims the display for a quieter nighttime experience, while the 24-hour timer allows convenient scheduling. The unit includes an exhaust hose and window kit for quick, tool-free installation, so you can set it up in minutes and start enjoying cool air with ease. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.